Let's do it again. What if instead of getting the money now, we were going to get a rebate in a year? That would probably be fine. So how much money do we need? Well, we have the same magic number. We need that net present value of $2,000 today. Or in 1 year, how much do we need? Well, in that case, we need $2,000 moved forward on our timeline. Our MARR is still 12%, and we're going forward 1 year. You could use the calculator for this. I find with simple enough compound interest problems, it's easier for me to just do it by hand, but you can do it by calculator. If we get that rebate of $2,240, so for some of our equipment, our net present value would be 0, and our internal rate of return would be 12%. So we would invest. Well, what if instead of those other things, we could actually sell all of our equipment for more than $15,000? How much would we need to sell that for? Well, how much do we need today? We need $2,000 today. That's the magic number. Or in 7 years, and we could use the calculator for this, but again, I like to use the formulas for compound interest problems. 2,000 times 1.12 to the power of 7. You guys can work this out. I've done it ahead of time. It's $4,421.36. So we should sell our equipment for more. How much should we sell our equipment for? Well, we were going to sell it for $15,000, but we actually need an extra $4,421.36. We need to sell our equipment then for $19,421.36. To summarize, as it stands, our net present value is negative $2,000 at a minimum annual rate of return of 12%, and our IRR was 11.66%. To make the investment reasonable, we would need to reduce our initial cost by $2,000. Or we could have $2,000 today. Or we could pay $391.28 less per year on electricity, or we could get a rebate of $2,240 in a year. Or we could sell our equipment for an extra $4,421. Or I'm going to put in a third one. We could increase our revenue by, how much money was that? $438.24 per year. All of these things are equivalent, and any one of them will do. If we do any one of these things, we would make our net present value equal 0, and our IRR would be 12%. In other words, mathematically, a present value of $2,000 is equal to a payment of $391.28 on an annuity due. An ordinary annuity of the same 7 years with a payment of $438.24 has a present value of $2,000. A future value of $2,240 in a year is $2,000 today, and that $4,421.36 in 7 years is worth $2,000 today. So those are all the same mathematical thing.